Hi, what's going on? My name is Anant, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a no match reply message, which means let's say you have multiple chatbots which can take care of certain keywords whenever someone sends you a message that contains the word demo or pricing. You've already taken such cases. But what if you get a message that does not match any of the keyword from your chatbot, and you want to fire a generic message thanking them for sending a message, and then you want to show them certain options to choose from? Hey, if you want to talk to sales, click here. If you want to talk to support, click here. Something like that, right? So in that scenario, no match reply is a very helpful tool which allows you to send a generic message every time someone sends a message which does not match any of the keyword. And it also allows you to set the frequency on how many times do you want to fire this message. Let's say you want to fire it every time, every day, every month, or every year. You can also customize the frequency of the no match reply keyword as well. So I'm going to give you a demo of that. Let's say I go to this business number and I send any message, need more info, something like that, right? And let's say I don't have any chatbot which take cares of any of the keywords over here. In that scenario, this chatbot is going to send me a generic message, something like, thanks for reaching out to our business. Our agents will reply to you shortly. Feel free to add more details below, right? So this is pretty helpful when you don't have when you don't know what kind of keyword your customers are going to use when they are going to message you, right? And here you can also add, you can give them more options to choose from. Do you want to talk to sales? Do you want to talk to support? You can give them certain clickable buttons over here. So I will show you how you can configure this. This is very simple to do. All you have to do is go to your bot manager. I've clicked on my bot manager, select the number for which you want to set this automation, and then go all the way down to configuration. And when you go to the configuration, you will see something called as no match reply, which is disabled by default. And all you have to do is just enable this. As you saw, it was already enabled, so I'm going to enable it again. But by default, you'll see something like this, which means the no match reply is disabled. You have to just click on the button and enable it. That's it. Now here you can also configure whether you want to send this message every time. What do I mean by every time is, let's say if I send any other message, let's say some random message, I send it again, it's going to repeat itself. It's going to send me the same message again, no matter what message you're sending. You look at this, right? So this is practically not the best implementation of this automation. So what we will do is, instead of firing this automation every time, we will change that to once a day or once a month or once a year, right? But for now, because we are just doing a testing, we'll keep it like this, and then we'll just save the settings. Do not forget to save the settings. Make sure you've saved the settings so that this is enabled. Now, once you do that, you can customize the text. So by default, it will have a generic message, but you have to customize it as per your business need. So I'll go to my action buttons, and over here you see something called as no match. Click on this and you're going to customize this message from here. So if you see over here, I have actually already customized the message. That's why we were getting the business name over here. But by default, this is going to be something else. The message over here is going to be something else. So make sure you go to no match reply and change this text as per however you want to. Now post that, after I've sent my very first message, I can also give them some clickable button, and it's very simple. I'm just going to use the interactive option. For example, I can make it like, whom would you like to talk to? Something like this. And then let me just delete this last thing. Our agent will reply you shortly. I'll just take it out. And then I'm going to give some buttons like talk to sales, send a message, and then I can do something like talk to support, and then send a message. And while we are doing this, while we are setting all these buttons over here, we can apply some label, which means this person actually wanted to talk to support. So I can, apply a label calling it as talk to support. This person wants to talk to support. That's why I applied this label over here. Now I can also assign this conversation to a given user, or I can assign this conversation to a group. So if you've made, like, let's say, a admin team or customer success team, right? You can assign this to them, and one of your, customer success representative will get assigned for this chat. So you can do all of that from here. Now, once I do this, I need to just save this. We have talk to sales and talk to support, and we have to set some message post, once they click over here. For example, I can say, thank you, our sales team will get in touch shortly. Feel free to add more details below. And the same thing, I can use it for support. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clone this and just reuse the block here and just change the sales to support. Save it and then save it. That's it. Now if I send a message, hey there. Now I don't have a keyword which, I don't have a chatbot that takes care of hey, right? So it's going to, first send me the generic message, hey, thank you for reaching out. And then it's going to give me an option whether you want to talk to the sales or talk to the support. So let's say if I click on talk to sales, it's going to send me the message as, thank you, our sales team will get in touch shortly. So this is how you can build your own no match reply automation. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.